Three people in North Carolina have been infected with monkeypox. Well, 33 of those cases are in Mecklenburg County. South Carolina is reporting 16 cases, and there are more than 5,100 in the country. Well, as the case numbers climb, health officials right now are also trying to work to bust myths surrounding the infectious disease. Queen City News anchor Casey Jones here in the studio tonight. So, Casey, what's happening right now to combat this misinformation?
Well, whether it's about where it's spreading, how it's spread, or who's getting it, health officials have been working to educate people to make sure they can separate fact from fiction. While more people catch monkeypox, even more are catching the misinformation spreading about it. Dr. Raynard Washington from the Mecklenburg County Health Department says one of the most common is about who can get the infectious disease.
The most common thing that we've been hearing about monkeypox is that, of course, it is exclusive to gay men, gay or bisexual men, and that's frankly not true.
Pictures of blisters have been spreading online fast. Dr. Washington says anyone in close contact with an infected person can get monkeypox, regardless of sexual orientation. Joy Smith, Communicable Disease Director for Mecklenburg County, is a part of the team that helps trace contacts and identify clusters.
Even though that's where we're seeing the majority of cases, the people who we found that have tested positive have families, they live in households, which household contacts can be considered high risk.
She says close contact does not just mean sexual contact, and some basic hygiene can help stop the spread.
When we vaccinate people, we also encourage them to kind of be cognizant of the people that they're around. If they're around someone who's presenting with these blisters or this monkeypox rash, of course, to kind of keep a distance, be educated about monkeypox and how it's spread. Hand washing is important, and definitely not coming in contact with someone who would have those blisters.
That's good advice there, right from health leaders. They are ramping up education efforts right now. There are plans for tables at pride festivals and other events with large crowds. If you see monkeypox posts spreading on social media, just make sure you check the source before you pass it along.
Such good information there. Thank you so much, Casey Jones.